Hey, home cooks! Ever wanted those giant, juicy BBQ turkey legs you get at the fair, right at home? Today, I'm showing you exactly how to make smoky, tender, finger-licking turkey legs on your own smoker. Let's get started. First up, ingredients. You'll need 4 large turkey legs, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon each of chili powder, black pepper, and salt, and finally, 1 cup of your favorite BBQ sauce. Just look at all those spices. This rub is where the flavor magic happens. Alright, step 1. Pat those turkey legs dry, then brush them all over with olive oil. You want every inch coated so the rub sticks and the skin crisps up beautifully. Step 2. Grab a bowl and toss in your smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, brown sugar, chili powder, pepper, and salt. Give it a quick whisk. That's your smoky, sweet, and spicy dry rub. Step 3. Time to get your hands dirty. Rub that spice mix all over the turkey legs, pressing it in so every bite is loaded with flavor. Now step 4. Let's get these on the smoker. Place your turkey legs on the rack at 275 degrees Fahrenheit and let them smoke for 3 to 4 hours. Pro tip, use applewood chips for that extra hint of sweetness. Step 5. About 30 minutes before they're done, brush on a generous layer of BBQ sauce. This will get sticky, glossy, and just plain irresistible. Step 6. Serve these hot. Slice in, dunk in extra sauce, and get ready for juicy, smoky perfection. Seriously, look at that. Smoky on the outside, tender on the inside. It's everything you want from BBQ turkey legs right in your own kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit like, share it with your BBQ crew, and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. See you next time. Happy smoking!